Yeah, good day. I'm going to XRP USD. Welcome to the Crypto Forex Market channel. Please subscribe if you want good content that I'm about to give to you and more. If you look at my other videos, you'll see previous analysis from last week. But today I'm going to give you analysis of XRP USD. So XRP USD is a good currency that a lot of people's been holding. A lot of people wants to get into. As you know, at this present time, yes, the market's going down, so there might be a lot of people that is probably scared to get into it, but this is a good time to buy, especially when prices are very low. Like, this ain't financial advice, but yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick analysis on XRP USD. So as you can see here, we have been in a downtrend for weeks upon weeks. So we've gone up, we've gone down, we've gone up, we've gone down, we've gone up, we've gone down. So this thing here, which you see, if you're not a trader, you're probably thinking, what is this called a cloud, an Ishimishi cloud? And I like to use it because it's a very good indicator when price is bullish and when price is bearish. So if we look back 2018, it was very bearish. And when that happens, once it breaks down, we get a red cloud forming. But when it's bullish, we have that green cloud, but then it's changed from here and it just went red, and that kept underneath that red cloud, as you could see here. But then suddenly from around 20th of March 2020, we was bullish. So it then formed a cloud, green cloud here, and it went straight over it and went up. So you could see that's bullish. So like now, since March the 19th, around that era 2021, we was bearish, and I've drew a line to show you that it's kept a bearish channel. But we also got the cloud turning red, then it went a little bit green, then it continued red, as you could see here. So people last week, we was very bullish, and the week before we're very bullish, and you know, there's a lot of FOMO, a lot of excitement. But yeah, be very careful. When in doubt, zoom out. So when we zoom out here on the weekly, you could see a clear pattern on the weekly, and I like to use the weekly as well to see a clear view of what's going on in the market, and then home in into the smaller time frames to do into trading. But on a bigger view, the weekly is very good to look at. So if you can see XRP USD, previously it was a resistant point. So when it broke down and it was bearish, it just resisted against this level. So usually once it resists, sometimes it breaks above, like it done here, and then it came straight back down. It's quite volatile, and it went to the next level. Then all of a sudden it went up. So crypto is a very volatile thing to trade, so you got to be very careful. So once it got up, it came down here, it started to form a green cloud, but now we're at this level here. So you're probably wondering what this blue and line and red line is. So these are EMA lines that is used with the Ishimishi cloud. So when we broke below here, we had the blue line that crossed over the red line. So that's a clear signal that we're in a downtrend. When it crossed above the blue line, the red line crossed above blue line back here, it was an uptrend. So like now, people are probably buying in here right now. They probably think, yeah, this is bullish, Bitcoin's leading the way. But you got to be very careful what's happening now. So me personally, I'm waiting for this level here to be broken because we're still in downtrend, and most likely I'm looking for something like this to happen. Go up from there, go down to that level, and mostly come up from there. So probably if it does that, goes down to this level, I'm expecting Bitcoin to turn around and go down to as low as probably around 10,000. So XRP will probably go to around this level, and that's a very good buy level to buy in at for XRP. If it breaks above, then this is what you got to watch out for in a weekly time frame. Sorry, it'll probably break. If it breaks above, this is what will probably happen, and then it'll probably go through the red cloud and continue up. But I'm really doubting that will happen because we're in a recession, or most likely going into recession. At least for 18 months it's going to last. Guys, I'll be very careful. So I'm just standing back, me personally. Do not take anything what I say. I'm not a financial advisor, just to let you know. But please subscribe if you find this really useful for yourself. But yeah, so that's XRP. So you could see a clear view what's going on. Clear view. Yeah, so if we go down to before I do that, but if we look at my other signal indicators, so we could see the RSIs here. We're quite a low level, so that could go up a little bit more. stochastic is going up, but however, we are still in a downtrend, so that could literally turn from my 50% downwards. When it's above the red line on my stochastic here, you can see that it goes down. Right here, it goes down again near the red, and like here, 50%, it could stay around this level and probably turn and come back down. Looking at my next signal indicator, my MACD is crossed above, but it's still above. So this could continue going up, maybe to around here before it's come back down. So I would wait for a cross, for the blue line to cross this orangey red line and come down before saying, yeah, this is going to actually come down here. So for me, I'm waiting for the news next week. I'm waiting for a week or so for this to decide where it's going, either down or up. And so that's XRP USD. So if you're willing to get into XRP USD, it could be a long hold. So I would, like, if it's going down, then there's a thing called dollar cost averaging. So if you bought here already and this thing turns, then hold it if you can, and then put in a bit here, a bit there until the market, because I believe that cryptocurrency is going to be very bullish, extremely bullish. So and DXY, the dollar would fall. So usually when DXY, if I show you here, it's literally gone down, and you can see the blue EMA again is over the red EMA. You could see here my stochastic for the weekly is very well oversold. So I'm expecting, even the MACD is gone light. Usually when it goes light, it's ready to change the trend. So my RSI is quite low as well. Yeah, this thing could go a little bit lower, maybe around here, start to play about, consolidate. But as you could see previously, XRP around this level was a resistant, and you could see a strong wick right here. You see that wick? It resisted and it continued going down. And if we go back here, this is a support that I've drawn in. It resisted around this level and it went down. Now on the opposite, DXY went up since the 17th of May 2021 last year, and it kept on going up, and we thought, boy, this ain't gonna stop. But however, it stopped around this level 113, and then it came down, and you could see the blue EMA line, it crossed the red EMA line. So that's literally showing you a clear signal that the trend has changed there. However, I don't see the dollar continue going down. I see it most likely retracing and come back down, and this is why I think I use a thing called Fibonacci tool. Usually when I use my Fibonacci tool, I like to see where possible retracement levels can be. So usually I put it from the high, for example, on the weekly, and then if it breaks above here, I expect a blue strong weekly candle to close above here before it confirms the bullish run. So if I draw my line, I'm looking for it to go usually around 60.71 is a very good strong reversal level. Obviously if it goes up, it's going to continue going all the way up, but I expect it to reverse here once we get a bullish signal on the weekly and then start to fall. And by that time I expect the not DXY, sorry, I expect Bitcoin, by the time that's ready to go, I expect Bitcoin to probably most likely go down to around £10,000 or $10,000. Obviously when the DXY is going up, you always most likely see the Bitcoin going the opposite way. But because of there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of probably whales buying in and whatever, I could most likely know that things could turn around, and probably 99% of people would be shocked and literally would probably want to run out and take their money away. But me personally, I would rather wait for some clear moves before going in. But yeah, so that's around XRP USD. So usually when DXY is bullish, XRP is bearish. When DXY is bearish, then XRP is bullish, vice versa. And that happens with all the other currencies. So I like to look at the DXY when I'm looking at all other currencies, especially when it's got the USD in it, and XRP and Bitcoin's got USD in it, because obviously if it's got USD is stronger, then DXY, which is the USD currency dollar index, is going to go the opposite way. So it's just simple. Please do not take any financial advice from me. You make your own decisions, and that's your responsibility. But I'm just giving you analysis of XRP USD from what I've seen. You could see on my chart, it's very clear and simple to look at. So yeah, so that's my analysis. Just quickly looking at Bitcoin, just to give you a little extra view on what's happening. Bitcoin, yes, has gone up. But as well, we're still in a clear downtrend, as you can see my red cloud. If I draw a line for you, you could see exactly what I'm talking about in terms of bearish trend. Look, in my personal view, as long as it doesn't break above, well above, then yeah, that could go down. Yeah, it could go to maybe 30,000, and that's a strong resistant line before going down. But personally, I feel that it's still gonna have that bearish run, so it could either drop from here or drop from there. But personally, I feel like it's gonna drop from around here, probably go to around 10,000 and then go up. And the reason why I say 10,000, if we look to the left, always look to the left, you see how that was a resistant point around this level here. Personally, I can't see it going lower to 3,000. That's just crazy. But definitely I could see it going at least down here. If it doesn't drop from this level, maybe it will most likely drop around here before going down. But personally, I could most likely see it around this level. But anyway, that's my clear analysis here. And yeah, for you XRP lovers, I'll just be very careful and just look at what I've given you here, and just, you know, just take your view on it, and you know, you just need to be responsible for the actions that you take. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll create more content for you, so please subscribe. If you want more good content, please do, because it would be good for the algorithms, and then I could get known more, and then you guys will see exactly you know, a clear analysis of, you know, what's happening in the market. So I will leave you now, so please subscribe again, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye. Yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. Come and join my team. Let's make this crazy passive income together.